Welcome to Canada, a land where nature's beauty is beyond imagination. From towering glaciers to turquoise lakes, this country is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the top 10 most scenic places in Canada, each one a masterpiece of nature. Number 10. Lake Louise. Lake Louise is one of Canada's most beloved destinations. Its turquoise waters are fed by the Victoria Glacier. Surrounded by mountains, it's perfect in every season. In summer, you can paddle across the clear waters. In winter, it becomes a magical frozen wonderland. Hiking trails around the lake lead to even more beauty. Sunrise and sunset here are spectacular. It's a dream spot for travelers and photographers. Lake Louise is the crown jewel of Banff National Park. Number 9. Peggy's Cove. Peggy's Cove is a small fishing village on the Atlantic coast. It's home to the most photographed lighthouse in Canada. The rocky shoreline and crashing waves are iconic. It's a peaceful place that captures the spirit of Nova Scotia. The lighthouse stands resilient against the sea breeze. Sunsets here light up the rocks in golden hues. It's a place of quiet reflection and raw coastal beauty. The salty air and ocean views are unforgettable. Peggy's Cove is simple, rugged, and timeless. Number 8. Garibaldi Lake. Nestled in the coast mountains of British Columbia is Garibaldi Lake. This stunning turquoise lake sits at the base of snow-capped peaks. It's fed by glacier melt, giving it that vibrant blue color. Surrounded by alpine meadows and rugged cliffs, it feels untouched. The hike to the lake is long but incredibly rewarding. In summer, it's a great spot for camping and backcountry adventures. In autumn, the golden colors reflect beautifully on the water. Garibaldi Lake is a must-visit for nature photographers. It's the perfect example of Canada's raw mountain beauty. Number 7. Mount Assiniboine Provincial Park. Hidden deep in the Canadian Rockies lies one of nature's finest masterpieces. Mount Assiniboine towers at over 3,600 meters, offering postcard-perfect views. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is only accessible by foot, helicopter, or horse, adding to its mystique. Turquoise lakes, flower-filled meadows, and rugged peaks paint a magical alpine picture. The reflection of the mountain on Lake Magog is one of the most photographed scenes in Canada. Every season reveals a new side of its beauty. Golden larches in fall, icy wonderlands in winter. Number 6. Okonogan Valley. Okonogan Valley is Canada's premier wine country. Rolling hills, sun-drenched vineyards, and clear lakes define this region. It's one of the warmest places in Canada, perfect for grape growing. The valley is especially stunning in autumn with colorful foliage. The landscape is dotted with charming small towns and orchards. You can enjoy boating, hiking, or biking through the valley. Sunsets over Okonogan Lake are truly magical. It's a peaceful escape with the comforts of luxury. A perfect blend of nature, culture, and relaxation. Number 5. Quebec City. Quebec City is a living piece of European history in North America. Its cobblestone streets and 17th century buildings are charming. The city overlooks the beautiful St. Lawrence River. Street performers and artists bring the city to life in summer. In winter, it transforms into a magical snow-covered town. The city's walls are the only fortified ones north of Mexico. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site full of culture. French traditions mix with Canadian hospitality. Quebec City is beauty, history, and culture combined. Number 4. Abraham Lake. Abraham Lake is a man-made lake with a natural wonder. In winter, it becomes famous for its frozen methane bubbles. These bubbles form under the ice, creating a surreal landscape. It's one of the most unique places to photograph in Canada. Even in summer, the scenery is stunning with turquoise water. The surrounding mountains add to its dramatic look. This hidden gem is less crowded than Banff's lakes. It's a favorite among winter explorers and drone photographers. The ice patterns change each year, making every visit different. Abraham Lake is where science meets natural beauty. Number 3. Emerald Lake. Located in Yoho National Park, Emerald Lake is truly enchanting. Its brilliant green water is due to fine glacial silt. Canoes floating on the calm lake make a picture-perfect scene. Surrounded by pine forests and towering mountains, it's incredibly peaceful. A gentle trail loops around the lake for easy exploration. In winter, the lake turns into a snowy wonderland. The Emerald Lake Lodge offers cozy stays with lake views. Every season paints a new scene at Emerald Lake. It's a quiet treasure in the heart of the Rockies. Number 2. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is one of the most iconic waterfalls on Earth. Over 3,000 tons of water crash down every second. It straddles the border between Canada and the USA. The Canadian side offers the best panoramic views. You can get up close on the Hornblower boat tour. In winter, parts of the falls freeze, creating ice sculptures. At night, the falls are lit with colorful lights. The roar and mist create a truly sensory experience. It's a romantic and thrilling destination. Niagara Falls is pure, raw power of nature. Number 1. Moraine Lake. Moraine Lake is one of the most photographed lakes in the world. Located in Banff National Park, it sits in the Valley of the 10 Peaks. The lake glows turquoise due to rock flour from melting glaciers. The dramatic mountain backdrop creates a perfect reflection on calm days. Sunrise here is an unforgettable experience. It's a favorite spot for hiking, canoeing, and nature lovers. Moraine Lake is nature at its most majestic, a true jewel of the Canadian Rockies. From the thunderous falls of Niagara to the turquoise lakes of the Rockies, Canada's natural beauty is boundless. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more breathtaking travel videos. Thanks for watching.